That's alright, that's okay, just the way you find your way. It's the road you gotta take to get where you're going. You're gonna twist, you're gonna turn, but it's how you're gonna learn. A lot about life, a lot about love, on the downside of growing up. Hey everyone, Blades Guitar Lessons. Today I want to teach you, I'm going to try a new format, so I'm trying to do it where you're just looking at the guitar, you're not seeing like my face hardly except for the bottom half I guess, and stuff like that. But I want to try this new format. Let me know if you like this or if you prefer I do it the other way in my other videos where you can see my whole face and stuff like that. So just kind of up to you guys, it's a new format. I just want to, let me know in the comments what you like, okay? So I want to teach you guys how to play this awesome song by Maddie and Tae called The Downside of Growing Up. Before I get into that, thanks so much for subscribing. For all of you who have, for those of you who haven't, I'd ask you to please hit the like button. I'd ask you all to do that actually. And then also, I would ask you guys to please subscribe if you find this useful. All right, so let's get right into it. You're going to do standard tuning in the capo on the first fret. I'm going to include a link to the capo, all right, in the description. Just a place you can find it on Amazon. I've had it for like 15 years, so I had it well before Amazon was like this huge thing, and I have loved it. I don't get paid if you buy it, although I wish that I did, if I'm being totally honest. So all right, let's get into this. So like I said, standard tuning, capo on the first fret. So the main chords you're going to use to start, so the main chord progression for the verses and the intro is D. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. D, then G, and then A. So when you put the capo on, so when you're doing A, you see your hand is going to be pretty close to that capo. So it's a little bit, you want it like halfway, like in the middle. I don't know if you can see that, in the middle of the fret, okay? That'll make it a little bit easier. So that's the one. And then the other chord that you're going to use for the verses is B minor, okay? So you're just going to do that. Okay, and the way that I taught, you're supposed to bar it, but if you can't, it's okay. Just put your pointer finger on that one instead of barring it. Okay, so that one should be pretty easy. So the way that the chord progression goes, the intro is just like this: D, G, A. You play that twice: D, G, A. Okay, so here's the strumming pattern for that and for the entire song. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay. So I'm going to do that a little slower, so in case you have a hard time with it. All right. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So you start with D, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're gonna do that pretty much the whole time. You notice on G, you're only doing the down, down, up, and you just go down, 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 up, down. Okay, so you only do a little bit on G, and then you go to A. All right. So G is when you're strumming the shortest in the intro and verses. Okay, so you play D, G, A twice. So you're gonna do pick your bags and hug your mom. Been dreaming about leaving for so long. Okay, then you go to B minor, and so it's the same strumming pattern and everything. You start to cry as you crank the truck. Okay, so you do B minor on start. You start to cry as you crank the truck. So you do B minor, and then you're going to do D, G, A twice again. All right, so it's D, G, A twice, B minor, D, G, A twice. All right, and that's how the verses go. All right, so it's then you're going to go. So you start to cry as you crank the truck. Yeah, that's so on down to me. Here's where you go. A on that's the downside of growing up. So then you play DGA at the end there, and then after you play it through once, which is the end part of that 2 in a row I was saying, then you're gonna go do it again for the rest of the verse. Okay, so you're gonna fixing up your brand new place. Okay, so it's just really easy like that. All right, now here's what you do for the chorus. The chord progression is different in the chorus, and it's also different in the bridge, so make sure you stick around for this or you're going to have to come back, which I wouldn't be opposed if you come back. All right, so you're going to do G, All right, you're gonna do G, D, A. So it's not the same order, remember, because before we're doing D, G, A. So this is G, D, A. Okay, so you do, let's see, G, D, A, then D, G, D, A. Okay, then you're gonna do G, D, A, B minor, then G, D, A, and then you go back into it like you were for the verses. D, G, A. All right, so I'm gonna walk you through that one time. So it's gonna be, that's all right. So on all right, you do G. That's all right. That's okay. So on K is where you start doing D. K. That's just the way. Way is A. Way to find your way. So the second way is D. Way. It's the road. Road is G. Road. You gotta take. Take is D. To get where you're going. So going is A. Going. You're gonna do G here, okay? You're gonna twist, so gonna twist is G. Twist, you're gonna turn, turn is D. Turn, but it's how is A. How you're gonna learn, learn is B minor. Learn a lot about, so then you can do either G for all this, by the way. A lot about life, a lot about love. So life is G, love is D. Love on the downside of growing up. So you say A is downside, downside of growing up, and then right up you're doing D. Then you just start going to the D, G, A. D, G, A. Okay, and then you just go into the next verse. Now for the bridge, so at the end of the second chorus, you're just going to keep playing you're going to do the D, G, D, A. This is where they have like a little solo. And then you're going to do the same thing. D, G, D, A. Okay? Now here's where you're going to do a little bit different. So you're going to do B minor. All right, B minor. I know what you're feeling. Okay, then you're going to do E. All right, E. Yeah, I understand. And so cuz is where you do G. So it's B minor, E, G, and you just do G like twice. So it's just beg basically. Cause where you are is where I've been, where I still am. Okay, and then you're gonna go and I'm all right, I'm okay, and you just go back into the chorus again. So you could even just do single strums. You could go. I know what you're feeling, yeah, I understand. Cause where you are is where I've been, and where I still am. Okay, so you just keep doing that G. Alright, now, or you can play it just softer. The way that they do it is that they'll keep strumming just regular for that part. Okay, for the B minor, E, G, G. But then when they get to the final chorus, they do it a lot. They do just like single strums at the beginning. And I'm alright, I'm okay. Yeah, I know I'll find my way. Okay, and then this is where they start strumming again like regular. On the road I gotta take to get where I'm going. That's how you play the whole thing. It's not difficult. That's the whole song for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions or comments or anything like that on it. If you have other requests for songs you'd like to learn as well. I really appreciate the different requests that I've been getting lately, so let me know if you guys have other ones you'd like to learn. If not, I'll just pick one and see what one people are searching for. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.